Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are testing out this Pretty Vulgar ink pot. As you can see, this is an ink pot from Pretty Vulgar. It's got gorgeous, kind of old-fashioned-y packaging. And this is the ink 01 in Blacklist. It's a gel eyeliner. It is made in the USA and distributed out of the USA. You get 6 grams. It retails for 29 Canadian dollars. I got this in last month's BoxyCharm. It also comes in 2 other colors. It comes in gray and brown. Apparently it's a Sephora exclusive. And I think today we should put it to the test. Personally, I haven't tried anything from Pretty Vulgar yet. I've heard pretty mixed things about them through the YouTube train, so I'm excited to see how it goes. In the BoxyCharm box, we also got a liner brush. I'm going to be using this Aesthetica brush. It's a little hard to see how far down you need to actually stick your brush into the pot. Kind of one of the benefits to gel if you have more wrinkly lids and you use a liquid. Sometimes the liquid kind of pulls up in your little lid creasy wrinkle things. So this is really easy to smooth out. I'm also going to just take a dry brush to smooth everything out. Okay, I'm also going to use more of a flat type brush and see if I can't just throw some up on my waterline. Cool, that went on really nicely. I'm gonna throw on mascara. Alright, makeup's on, everything's good to go. Let me set everything just with my Scandinavia setting spray. Alright, so now let's just wear test this for the next 12 hours and see how well it does. Here we go. I'm back. Here it is at the end of the night, and honestly I still think it looks pretty good. It was really, I did kind of an extra thick wing today, and I liked the way it looked all day. I think it still looks nice and black. It doesn't look smudged or anything. If we do a really close up view, you can see it didn't actually wear perfectly. There is a little bit of smudging, especially under the eye, but I think it really held up really well. And if you are into kind of an alternative, smudgy, kind of put together but not fully put together look, I think this wears really nicely. And I know you people are out there. It's not just me. I've tried other gel liners in the past and I've never been super comfortable wearing them. But honestly, application with this one wasn't very hard at all. You can kind of just smudge it really nicely without it smudging completely away. It dries really quickly. I felt really confident applying it, even using a brush, which I tend to be a lot less confident with a brush than with like a felt tip liner. But I really felt like I was rocking the winged liner today. So overall, I really liked it. $30. I mean, that sounds kind of expensive. If you compare it with Black Track, you get 3 grams, and this is a 6 gram pot. How much is Black Track? Let's check it out from MAC. It's kind of like the classic black gel liner. I mean, that's $22, so it is a good deal if you compare it to something like that. Plus, the packaging is so cute. But if you're leaving it out on your desk or something, beautiful. I really like it. I feel like I like applying it a little bit better than the black track, although I probably should do like a wear test on the black track. I don't know, I just didn't kind of fall in love with it the same way I did with the Pretty Vulgar. Overall, I'm gonna give the Pretty Vulgar gel liner a 3.75 out of 5. It's still a gel liner, so it's still not my favorite, but I really liked it. I think you get good value for your money. The good thing is you purchase one once and it kind of lasts a long time. Pro tip, store it upside down if you really want to prevent it from drying out. I probably won't worry about it too much. I guess the one downside, yeah, 6 months from opening is when they recommend you use it up. So like there's no way I would go through 6 grams in 6 months. Huge thank you to my patrons for helping you get these videos, helping me bring you these videos. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I do new beauty videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Okay guys, with that, good night. Stay out of trouble.